We love our sporting challenges at EvaTech. But as we all know, good preparation is key for success. And challenging conditions require equipment in peak conditions too to get the best results. So before setting off, we always check our equipment to make sure it is ready for the challenge ahead. And now we can help you get the best performance out of your EvaTech equipment too, with our health check service. Maintaining your tool in peak condition helps ensure your production targets are not disrupted by unplanned breakdowns or lower production yields. From vacuum performance and substrate transport to operational safety, our team have the expertise to help you check every aspect including obsolescence. Just like high performance sporting equipment, we want your production tools to give you winning performance too. EvaTech's health check service can help you cross that finishing line ahead of the pack. So why not get in touch with us now and find out how working together is the perfect way to get the most out of your EvaTech tool.